Today we're back with Joy and Hal, and we're testing someone who says it's a sniper, but I don't think so. And strong arm, fire strike, and strike pistol. And today you're gonna be seeing the bullets, but you're not gonna be seeing me fire. So let me go back and start firing. So now we're doing the strong arm, which a lot of people know, which is this one. Hold 6 bullets, all loaded. I'm gonna test. If it hits that wall, it's 20 feet. So let's go test. Okay, so that was the strong one. It shot all of its 6 bullets 20 feet. And now we're doing the fire strike. And don't forget to subscribe or like for more Nerf tests and strike. So as you saw, that was all 3 of the bullets, which are gone. And they shot pretty accuracy, as you saw. And now we're going to do the pistol. Then we're going to go to the mega guns, which I'm only going to do 1 mega gun. As you saw, this is the pistol. It fires like this. Pull it down like that. Fires like this. And one of those bullets fainted, but the other 2 were perfectly fine. Now let's go get the mega test done. So right here, all my bullets. And we're going to be testing the mega gun that holds 6 bullets. Guess what gun that is in the comments below. And also guess what? Comment what your favorite gun I shot was. to comment what it might be, because I'm going to show you right here. All new Mega Compact Construct. Recurring barrel, and that's mostly what it's about. And of course, you know, it's Mega Bolts. So that's what I'm all doing. I'm shooting 6 of these Mega Darts at a target, like you have been seeing, and I'm going to be shooting for a farther distance, which if they hit the wall, it's 40 feet. So let's test the all new setback. So, as you saw, we fired this, all 6 bullets. See, all 6 bullets. And 1, 2, 3 Mega Bullets came firing back at us. And so that's all the bullets that I fired. And that's all the bullets. And here's the guns. There's all my bullets. There's my crossbow that I didn't use. And here's my sniper that I used to long shot scope, the prop, the 6-dart clip, the spare clip in the stock, then the prop, and the modulus extended barrel. So that's all for today.